Did you know that cleaning your colon can be delicious? Say what? This mouth-watering salad will help you clean your colon of toxic buildup and make you regular. Also perfect for whole body detox and weight loss. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Hey there, welcome to my No Rex Needed channel, where I share easy and yummy healing recipes to keep you away from pharmaceutical prescriptions. If this resonates with you, hit the bell button to subscribe and like my video so more people can discover it. Let's start making our salad. Oh, I forgot to say the name of it. It's a brush salad. Are you ready to scrub your gut? The recipe calls for these 6 ingredients, plus extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. All of these are super high in fiber because we want to create this nice bulky fiber strength brush to scrub away all the gunk from our colon. Raw beets, green apple, purple cabbage, a stalk of celery, parsley, ground flax seeds, and these self-explanatory. We're gonna be shredding some of the ingredients, and let's start with cabbage because we need to massage it a little bit and we want to let it sit. Let's go. The thinner you slice your cabbage, the better it's going to taste. I bought this manual shredder, so I'm gonna test it out with you for the first time. I hope it works. Let's get our bowl. Oh, look how cool! Oh my gosh! It doesn't really shred lengthwise, but this is good. This is perfect. I would never be able to chop it. It's just I don't know what to do with the fingers, I guess. Just use a second. Okay, now we want to massage the cabbage so it is nice and soft. And let's add some salt. Salt is going to help soften the cabbage faster. I picked purple cabbage not by accident. Even though you can use white cabbage, but purple cabbage has twice the fiber compared to the white cabbage. Just so you know, all vegetables with purple hues are richer in antioxidants compared to just the green ones. So the richer and deeper the purple color, the more antioxidants the vegetable contains. So go purple. And this is what we want. We want a lot of fiber in a salad. Cabbage has a lot of healing properties, but when it comes to our gut in particular, it has the ability to suppress the growth of polyps, which are the precursors of colon cancer. There is research that shows eating cabbage more than once a week cuts the odds of colon cancer by as much as 60%. Cabbage guards against stomach cancer. Who bought these? These are so small. My gosh, I can barely fit in. Ancient Romans regarded cabbage as a powerful cancer cure. Cabbage juice heals digestive tract ulcers. Cabbage helps lower cholesterol. Did I give you enough reasons to start eating more cabbage? So I think our cabbage is very well massaged. So now we have to do similar process with the beets, but I need to change the grater. So for the beets, you want if you're using the handheld grater, you want this large one. One medium beet should do. If you're making a larger batch, just double the ingredients. Look how pretty it comes out. Oh, I wanted this for the cabbage. So this is a very cool machine, I have to tell you. Oh, super cute. We do the same process with apple, and then we're just gonna slice our celery and parsley by hand. So honestly, I even leave the core in because it has a lot of trace minerals. The seed, it has a lot of good stuff. Okay. I'm gonna use the same shredder. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah, so I like how it shreds, but I don't like how it holds. I guess it's good for the price point. It's juicing it out. I found this different kind of blade and I wonder if it's gonna work for celery. Let's give it a try. Oh, it works! Oh, I would have never been able to slice it so thin. So you don't want to shred it, but you want to slice so, look, oh my gosh, so cute. Final touches, chop up some parsley. And don't forget ground flaxseed, so we want like about 2 tablespoons. Notice that our digestive system is not able to break down whole flax seeds. So if you eat one of those breads like full of different kind of seeds and you think, oh, you're so good, know this, it's really no use. It just goes through you. That's how thick they are. To get the benefits of flaxseed, they must be ground, or better yet, freshly ground. And you want to add a good amount of lemon juice or lemon bites. This is what I'm gonna use. Every time you make a green salad, remember to add lemon juice to absorb all the goodness that greens have to offer much better. I have a video how to make lemon bites. Watch it here. Finally, a good amount of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, and then we're ready to mix it. If you're not going to eat it right away, I suggest that you don't add salt and you only add it right before you eat. Look how colorful it is. The rule of thumb, by the way, the more colors are in your salad, the more your gut loves it. Oh, I can smell fresh parsley, everything. The reason you want to use a lemon bite, not just freshly squeezed juice, because this has more fiber in it, so it adds to the overall brushing effect. If you want a deep gut cleanse, eat this salad, only this salad, for 1 full day, once a week, for 1 to 3 months. Let me know what healing meal you want me to cook next.